Hi, my name's Jasmine. I'm from Brisbane and I'm here on Bribie Island with my 2022 Suzuki Jimny. I've been four-wheel driving probably for 3 years since I got my licence. I've always been on the beach, four-wheel driving. The reason why I got the car was because all my friends have four-wheel drives, so I really wanted to go with them, but I wanted to be able to have my own space. The reason why I got the Fulcrum lift kit for the Jimny was because I need a little bit more clearance to get over the dunes and the beach. I just wanted to be able to cruise over them without having any issues and making sure I didn't get bogged. Since installing the Formula lift kit, it's allowed for a bit more stability on the road and the beach. It makes it not as floaty and makes it more comfortable over the bumps and ruts, so it's really good. With Fulcrum, they made it really easy. They were really good with communication and let me know exactly what time it was ready to be picked up. I would definitely recommend Fulcrum to the Jimny community and other four-wheel drive enthusiasts because it's definitely made it more comfortable and better to drive.